You've intercepted a drone being used for illegal activity. Now you need answers. Who piloted it? With what purpose? And where was it operated? Law enforcement agencies, corrections, border control, and the military are facing increasing threats from drones. Being used for illegal surveillance and to deliver payloads like drugs, weapons, mobile phones, and even bombs. Introducing new XRY drone from MSAB, powered by URSA. It gives you complete capability to extract, decode, and view data from the most popular drones used by criminals and threat actors. Extract the data and load it into Examine to get an interactive, detailed view of what happened. Follow the drone's flight paths on a map with data on altitude, velocity, and other operational metrics. Track changes in power usage and speed per engine to see exactly where a payload was dropped. View video and pictures from the drone camera. Get identifying serial numbers and more. Time is a critical factor for investigators, and XRY drone is designed with this in mind. Perform your extractions on the spot using our frontline tools. There's no delay when loading your extractions into Examine for analysis. Get the tools you need for fast, effective drone forensics. Get the answers you need with XRY drone. Learn more at msab.com.